Let's continue with multiplication and division of fractions. When the denominator and the numerator contain two or more terms, factorize both the numerator and the denominator before you simplify. Remember, you can cancel across multiplication, and dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of the expression. Basically, it means we tip and times. Right, let's look at examples. We are required to simplify these algebraic expressions with fractions. So what do we have to do? If we look at the numerator, we can factorize this because it is a quadratic trinomial. If we look at the denominator, we can factorize using the highest common factor. Let's factorize the quadratic trinomial. We look for the factors of 27 that can give us negative 12. So positive 27 shows us that the two factors have the same sign. The negative 12 confirms that the same sign is actually the negative sign. So which factors can give us negative 12? It should be negative 9 and negative 3. Okay, so we can have our brackets for the numerator, a minus 9, a minus 3. And then the denominator, the highest common factor is 4a. So we factor out 4a. Then 4a squared divided by 4a is a. And then negative 12a divided by 4a is negative 3. And then here we get 1, and then we remain with a minus 9 over 4a. We have simplified the fraction. Let's look at the next example. If you look at this expression here, we can factorize using the highest common factor. We can factorize using the highest common factor. We can factorize using the highest common factor. And we can factorize using the difference of two squares. Okay, let's do those steps. 3x squared plus 27, the highest common factor there is 3. We factor out 3. And then we have x squared plus 9. And then over. Then 2x plus 6, the highest common factor there is 2. Then 2x divided by 2 is x. Positive 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it's x plus 3. Then times 6x minus 18, the highest common factor is 6. 6x divided by 6 is x. Negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. And then we can use difference of two squares here. So we have x squared minus 9, and then x squared plus 9. So we factorize them. Remember, we said we can cancel across multiplication. So x squared plus 9 divided by x squared plus 9, we get 1. And then 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 6 is 3. And then we can have numerator 3 times 3 is 9. We have 9. Then x minus 3. And then the denominator we have then x plus 3 over x plus 3. And then x plus 9 is x plus 3. And then x minus 3, because it's difference of two squares there. Okay. Then x minus 3, or there is x plus 3 here. X minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is 1. And then we have 9 over x plus 3 squared, because x plus 3 times x plus 3 is x plus 3 squared. Right, let's look at the next one. Oh, there's division here. So we tip and times, or we multiply by the reciprocal. So it becomes xy minus x squared over y squared minus x squared times y squared plus xy over x squared. So this one goes up, this one goes down. That's we tip and times. We can factorize using the highest common factor here. We have difference of two squares. We have the highest common factor there. Xy minus x squared, we can factor out x, then becomes y minus x. Y squared minus x squared is difference of two squares. We have our two brackets, minus, then plus. We have y x, we have y x. Then times The highest common factor there is y, so we factor out y squared divided by y is y, plus xy divided by y is x, then over x squared. Y plus x divided by y plus x is 1, y minus x divided by y minus x is 1, and then we remain with xy over x squared. Then x divided by x is 1, x into x squared will remain with 1x, so the answer is y over x.